Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Joseph BladeBrush knife and cutlery cleaner and 3 things you need to know about this one. And if you're like me, well, especially cleaning the sharp knives are the ones that generally that's the one I'm going to mess up, and it's nice to have an option out there. And it's one less thing you worry about. Make sure you have the edge pointed away from you and so on. And I'm sorry, we digress. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now, let's go ahead and get started here because we've got several things to cover. Thing number 1, this is a safe way of cleaning sharp items closely. And it's going to be, doesn't have to be knives. It could, I mean, I've nailed myself pretty good at times on a fork. It's just a matter of how sharply the tines have been finished off, but still, sometimes it doesn't take much. It's just a matter of being in the right position. It's nice to have a option to keep things a little bit cleaner, a little bit easier. Thing number 2, and this is going to be a time saver. The wraparound bristles enable easier cleaning of both sides of the knife and cutlery at the same time. So that way you don't have to work on one side and then turn on and work the other, or forget to work one side and then somebody says, hey, this is not clean yet. So it's certainly an option. Now, the textured hand grip is really something that should be attractive to several people because it's going to help keep the Joseph tool firmly in your hand instead of having an oh whoops and something goes flying and you got to figure out where in the kitchen or where in the water that it's gone, and it just makes things a little bit easier. So take a look at this one, see what you think about it, and you may end up getting one today for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.